Hello nail art lovers, welcome back to another video and to Foiled It Friday again. So if you're new to my channel, thanks for skipping in. Go on and hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. So today technically we're not doing foils, we're doing stickers or decals, but for me that all kind of falls in the one category. So I got these ones. Nail Art Professional Manicure they're called. They have little owls in them. It says no more drying time, contains 16 wraps, so they're nail wraps, lasts up to 14 days. Bring back glue, 5-minute manicure speed. Don't really know what that means. And then we have the instructions on the back of them. I went for them because I thought I wanted to see what they are made. 100% real nail polish. I wanted to see what that is all about. So it says open package, remove film, remove clear cover, select the size you want that fits your nails, remove the nail polish strip, gently peel back, apply to the nail, stretch to fit, remove excess with file, and optional put on some light oil. Okay, so let's give it a go. They come in these little packets here. I literally have nothing on my nails. This is just my Cover Pink gel, builder gel. That's my nail extension. That's the colour they are. So removing them from the package straight away, I can smell them. They smell like, do you know what? They smell like white spirits. You know the stuff that you would soak your paintbrushes in after you paint your skirting boards and door frames and all with that gloss paint. They smell disgusting, to be honest. So anyhow, let's jump into it. I'm going to take them off one at a time, I think. Will I? Well, we'll remove the film. Yeah, I'm going to take them off one at a time because I just think that might be easier. So I'm going to put this one on my, to help if I was in the camera, wouldn't it? I'm going to put this one on my big thumb. So we are removing the protective film, as it says, and that comes off easy enough. So we turn over it now. It has the little perforated dotty line at the back, so we can remove that as well. Now it did say there was another film on the back. Remove the clear cover, which we have done. Select the size of nail polish strips that best fits your nails, then remove the clear covering which helps to seal. Gently remove the nail polish strip and peel from its backing paper. So there is backing paper on it. To be honest, I don't see how easy this is going to be for me to peel. Okay. No, because it's just, let me see if I have a tool that might be able to help. See, if I pull that there, that's just paper then. You know? I think this might be a fail, a total fail, guys. Let us try. Okay, it's coming off. That's not easy. I wonder, do I have a tweezers to hand? Hold on, I'll see if I can grab a tweezers. So my daughter has stolen my tweezers again. I'm going to just go in with the scalpel. I hope I'm doing this on camera. So they are seriously thin. I think this will be easier if I use my finger. Now, need to move it over slightly. It does say it's stretchable and repositionable. So I am just going to rub that down. I'm going to use my silicone tool. To stretch as a crease. So it says you don't need to top coat or anything like that, but I reckon you would top coat these just to seal in those edges. Okay, I'm just going to get my nail file and file downwards in a downwards motion as it says. Comes off easy enough. Now there are a few wrinkles on this one. This is my first one. Oh, wow, they are super cute though, aren't they? Oh, my background is not taken away of the nails. Now I'm going to do the rest of them at warp speed for you guys because that took forever. So I will apply the rest of them nice and quickly. Did I not put that one on? Or did I totally miss it? No, I actually totally missed a few. I thought one fell off already. Shaky camera. So there they are now, all applied. I do want to top coat them. It doesn't say you need to top coat them, it says you can just oil, but I would rather top coat them just to seal the edges in, to stop them from peeling off. Ideally, if you weren't allergic to gel polish like me, you would do it with gels. So I'm just going to go do the other hand off camera because obviously you can see how it is done now. They are kind of cute. They do feel fairly sturdy. There are a few creases on some of them, but that might be down to my pulling because it does say you can stretch it. Now I didn't really stretch the sides of them. You'd need a tweezers for that, so we can thank my daughter for stealing mine. So yeah, so let's just do the other hand and I'll be back in a sec. Now I have changed my background because the other one was that little bit too busy. So here are my final thoughts on these decals or stickers or wraps, whatever you want to call them. If your nails are anyway long, they will fit you. They were even had a little bit more space for my nails. These are, I usually wear mine a little bit longer than they are at the moment. The images on them are fantastic. I really think they are brilliant. They're obviously some sort of printed image. I have top coated, but I have not oiled my nails yet. I love the images on them actually, to be honest. The smell is atrocious. They are very easily to apply. Would not recommend that they are, as they say on the packet, 5-minute manicure. So like, how long are we into this video now? And I've sped this hand up by 8 times and I did this one off camera. So yeah, so I have another set of owls in this type. I might apply them again for you guys, but it'd just really be a repeat of this video, so maybe not. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so YouTube can reinstate some of my rights. So if you do like me, please hit that subscribe button, which is this little fingers over here. And of course we have another video that might be interesting to you over here. So until the next one, stay safe. See you soon. Bye.